my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you all how to make this amazing pot stand. I have made two models. To make this, you might need glittering foam sheet, normal foam sheet, glitter, a flower shaped stapler, FEVICOL or any glue you have, stapler, scissor, and I had cut the strips of the glittering foam sheet. Now I am taking a square foam sheet and now holding the two corners and folding it and staple using the stapler. After stapling, you will get a shape like this. And now I am going to take this stapler and a red sheet using this flower shaped stapler. I had cut these many flowers. Now I am going to take one of them and put a little glue in the middle . Make sure the flower hides the stapler pin. Now I am going to take the glitter and put the glitter in the center, in which in the dark it glows. After putting the glitter, you will get a beautiful shape like this. Like this only I had made many. Now you should make these many shapes. Now I'm going to keep this in the side and I had taken a normal sponge sheet and behind it I had sticked chart paper in which it can stay stiff. Now I'm going to roll it. After rolling, I had stapled and the pieces which we made, I'm stapling that on the both the corners. I'm going to do around the roll. First, we are going to keep the piece touching to the other piece and staple it. Make sure you be careful while stapling. After sticking everything, it looks a kind like this. And I have stuck pink color ribbon on the top. Now I am going to take the glittering foam sheet which I had cut into a strip. Now I am going to apply glue from the first till the end. I am going to spread it using my finger. I am going to stick it. After sticking, it looks so beautiful. And for more decoration, I have taken this plastic stone stickers. And now I'm going to stick it on the ribbon. Awesome. You can stick those also, putting FEVICOL behind them. After I stick this glittering strip, I had put the stickers here on the bottom and the top of the green pieces too. And after this, your lantern is ready. I have made three and I have made this from normal A4 sheet colored sheets, and I have put the handle for it too. See how nice these three look. Even we can keep pots, indoor plants inside this, and it looks awesome. Let me show an example. I have taken a plastic plant and I'm keeping on these. This is an real indoor plant which is called spider plant. See how nice these look. You can randomly keep it anywhere and you can hang it also. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and for more DIYs you can check out my YouTube channel DIY Kids Crafts and Fun with Aarya. Thanks for watching.